How to make an extra $5,000 a month from free cash buyer sources in your real estate wholesaling operation. What's up, guys? Zach in here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an extra $5,000 a month from free cash buyer sources so you can get better cash buyers in your real estate wholesaling business. But before we get into it, remember, my name is Zach Ginn, and I'm here to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. I don't want to charge you for this information, and I'm here to help you learn wholesaling absolutely for free. If you do me a favor, please smash that like button and subscribe. It helps the YouTube algorithm so I can help you in your real estate wholesaling operation. So let's get into it. How can you make an extra $5,000 per month in your real estate wholesaling operation? And it's really simple. If you get one real estate wholesaling deal done per month, you can get an extra $5,000 on your assignment fees by actually doing these little tactics to get better cash buyers. So the first and probably one of the best ways to find the best cash buyers possible is from auctions. Auctions are one of the most reliable and honestly best ways to find cash buyers. Go to your local auction when it comes to a real estate place. Going to these auctions in person, the ones that are in person right now, are really, really good because there's so many cash buyers there. People are going there to buy the property, and they're actually looking to buy it for cash. The coolest part about auctions is these people are already vetted from the actual auction companies. It's actually really cool because you can go and see people actually bidding on these houses. And when someone seriously puts their hand up and says, yes, I'll bid on it, you know they're serious about buying the property, and they're looking to buy properties for a discount and usually as an investment. These auctions are so good, and they're one of the best ways to find cash buyers. There's so many great networking opportunities in your area for these, and there's so many great cash buyers. So what I would say is go to your auction, dress presentable, and go out there and start networking. It's a great event. Get there early, start talking to people, and you will find great cash buyers. Explain to your wholesaler. Most people should understand that, and they will be on your cash buyers list, and you can go out there and build great cash buyers so you can sell your deals for way more money. And if they don't understand wholesaling, please educate them on the process of you assigning your contract for a profit. If they're open for you making a profit on the deal, they should be more than happy to buy your property. And of course, these people pay a lot more money than the average cash buyers that you will find. Number 2 here, this is where I'm going to get a lot of trouble, but it's really good. Steal your competition's cash buyers. What I mean by this, you can go out there and find your competition's cash buyers absolutely for free. Basically, you can steal cash buyer lists absolutely for free. How do you do this? Go find your competition's deals that they are posting. Go find who are actually buying these deals. And then when you figure out, go to the property appraiser and actually find who's actually buying these properties. Search that person on the clerk of the court, and you should pop up all the deals that they're buying and all the cash buyers. So if you figure out your competition's bragging that they made $20,000 at 123 Ray Street over there, go see who actually bought it from the actual public records and see that it says John Smith LLC is buying it. Well, go contact that John Smith LLC and put them on your cash buyers list. These cash buyers don't care about competition or anything like that. They just want to buy properties for cash. And they'll look at you as another source of someone to do that for. So they are great to add on your cash buyers list. Make sure you stay within ethical guidelines for this, but it's definitely another way to do it. Another way you can do it, if there's a big wholesaler in your city or area, go find where they're making their deals. Go see if they're bragging about doing a deal. Find the actual cash buyer on those wholesaling deals, and you can go and reverse engineer it so you can add those people on your cash buyers list. The next one here is networking and educating with other people in real estate. What do I mean by this? Remember, you always hear the old adage, your network is your net worth. It's pretty true, I'd say. I mean, most people need to understand that having a really good network in your wholesaling operation will be so beneficial for you when it comes to your dispositions process. Educating and networking with realtors so they understand the wholesaling process in your area, having them understand the wholesaling process. So if they have a cash buyer, you can go out there and use them, and you can actually get really, really high margins on your real estate wholesaling deals by bringing these deals to cash buyers for the maximum price possible. Educating these realtors, knowing that you guys can collaborate with each other will be so beneficial for you in your real estate wholesaling operation. I can tell you right now, network with realtors. There's so many mixer realtor events that you can go out there and actually go talk to these people and really have great conversations and see how you guys can work together to actually make money. It's great if you have a property and it's at a deep discount and these realtors have cash buyers that are wanting to buy properties, investment properties that they want to flip or they want to put a lot of work into. This would be really, really good opportunity for you to collaborate with each other to make the most money possible. I cannot tell you enough. Networking with realtors is super important. Don't make realtors your enemy. Actually collaborate with them and you guys can make great money. Also, if you network with title companies are another great source for real estate wholesaling deals. Sometimes motivated sellers actually call title companies to try to learn the process of title, and they don't have anyone they want to deal with. Usually title companies will give this to a realtor, but if you network really well with a title company, they could potentially give you the deal. I know we get leads all the time from our local title company because first of all, we're loyal to them, and also they give us these deals that makes us so much money in your real estate wholesaling operation. So I cannot tell you enough, networking with title companies and realtors are super duper important. Next here is something a little more unique. Not a lot of wholesalers are talking about it, but if you brand yourself on social media, you can open yourself up to so many opportunities in wholesaling real estate. If you can brand yourself as a person who's here to actually sell discounted properties to cash buyers, you're a person that can talk to sellers really well, you're a person that can actually JV with other people, you can easily make an extra $5,000 a month just on JVing deals. You don't even have to have a big presence. You don't even have to go behind a camera here like YouTube and start branding yourself. Just get a nice profile on Instagram or Facebook, join all the wholesaling groups, and do this weird thing called participating. If you participate in Facebook groups, you can easily brand yourself as a person who is an expert in their field and that you're here to help people out and actually joint venture on deals with other wholesalers. And if you have a great cash buyers list, you can easily JV with newer wholesalers, grow connections, build your network up with them, and actually do very well with JVing, making an extra $5K a month, JVing your wholesaling real estate deals. The branding yourself is so important. Branding myself has made me tens of thousands of dollars extra per month just on JVing deals and actually people knowing about me with cash buyers for trust and credibility that has helped me so much that I cannot say it enough. Branding yourself on social media is super important. I know so many people in Clubhouse that are branding themselves from there, and really you don't have to be this expert. Go out there, make some social media posts, start connecting with people, go in the DMs, start messaging people, and I can tell you right now, you will get an extra $5,000 per month. Here's the last one. This is a great one for making an extra $5K a month in wholesaling. This is one not a lot of people like talking about, but is absolutely killer, which is house flipping and or house buying seminars or house buying workshops. Going to a house flipping workshop, you already know how to house flip or flip houses. But house flipping seminars have people who actually want to start getting into house flipping. These people are primed to put on your cash buyers list. These are people who have a ton of cash that want to start investing in real estate. And you provide a service of selling contracts of real estate that are super duper discounted. This is so important because you can provide a solution for these people wanting to buy properties at a huge discount. On the other hand here, you can go to house buying workshops where people are trying to learn how to buy properties. Maybe they're trying to buy an investment property or a rental property, or maybe a property for them to live in. These are prime places for you to get very high quality, extremely high paying cash buyers or potential tenants for a subject to, or another creative financing deal that you can go wholesale. These tactics are absolutely amazing. And I could just tell you right now, I use all of these in my real estate wholesaling operation. They're definitely, if you use one of them, you can definitely net an extra $5,000 per month in wholesaling real estate from these cash buyer sources. There's so many ways to find cash buyers, but these are the free ones. And I'd even bring up Facebook because Facebook is one of the best ones out there. Going on Facebook groups and actually finding cash buyers will give you more and more cash buyers, which in essence will help you bid up your wholesaling real estate properties that you have under contract. So use the power of Facebook. Social media is important. Steal some of your cash buyers' data or use some big wholesalers information from there and start getting deals. I cannot tell you enough. Start looking at the calendar for auctions in your area for real estate. It will be big time. Guys, start dedicating and start making a process of going to auctions, looking up cash buyer data, going to seminars and workshops that probably suck going to, but they're great networking opportunities. Set aside time for networking. It will pay you huge dividends. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate watching this video. If you get any value out of it, remember, please smash that like button and subscribe. I give you a video every single day here on this channel to help you in your real estate wholesaling process. Thank you guys so much and have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.